Our cattle are basically locavores. The potatoes they eat come from right over there. My name is Rob Miller. I'm the general manager of Oro Cattle Feeders in Moses Lake, Washington. Oro Cattle Feeders is owned by AgriBeef Company. It's a second generation family operation. We buy the vast majority of our cattle here at El Oro from other family farms and ranches across the Pacific Northwest. We pick up where they left off and get them ready for the grocery store and the restaurants.
My name is Martin Camacho. Been working here about 25 years. Our goal is to produce the best beef we can, and that starts with taking care of the cattle. It's very important to keep these animals calm and very low stress. We need to welcome these animals, and we receive them with the best care possible, clean fresh water, long stem hay, because if we can manage how we treat them at the beginning, we don't have to use antibiotics at all.
Absolutely, the pen riders are the front line of animal care. I try to talk with the entire staff every day. They're kind of the eyes and ears for us out in the feed yard. They keep me apprised of what's going on so that we can continue to make good decisions. Technology allows us to be proactive in animal health. We know everything we need to know about every single animal right there on our laptops. In the rare instance where an animal actually needs to be treated, that treatment is recorded along with that animal's individual identification into our software program. It's not just about growing cattle, it's about feeding them something that keeps them healthy and comfortable. And that's why we employ beef nutritionists. The hay and other ingredients are all sourced right here in the state of Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. When local potatoes are made into fries and chips, often there's a portion that doesn't make it into the grocery stores. Maybe just weren't pretty enough, but our cows just don't care. We take those products and feed them to our cattle and turn them into delicious beef.